What is insurance? Insurance might seem complex, but it's quite simple with the right guide. It's all about protecting yourself and your loved ones from the unexpected. Imagine a safety net catching you when you fall. That's what insurance does financially. It helps cover costs associated with accidents, illnesses, or other unforeseen events. Think of it like this. You pay a small amount regularly, called a premium, to an insurance company. In return, they agree to cover a large portion of your expenses if something unfortunate happens. This way, you don't have to drain your savings or go into debt when life throws you a curveball. Insurance provides peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. It's about taking control of your financial well-being and protecting the things that matter most. We'll break down the essentials of insurance, making it easy to understand and manage. Types of insurance. Different aspects of your life need different types of insurance. Some common types include health, life, auto, and home insurance. Health insurance helps cover medical expenses if you get sick or injured. Life insurance provides financial support to your loved ones if you pass away. Auto insurance protects you financially if you're in a car accident. It covers damages to your vehicle and medical bills for injuries. Home insurance safeguards your house and belongings from damage caused by fire, theft, or natural disasters. Understanding what each type covers is the first step to getting properly insured. Choosing the right coverage. Selecting the right insurance involves understanding your needs and comparing policies. Assess your individual circumstances and potential risks. Consider factors like your age, health, lifestyle, and assets. Think about what matters most to you and what you want to protect. Compare quotes from different insurance providers to find the best coverage at a competitive price. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek clarification on policy terms. Choosing the right insurance is an investment in your security and well-being. Insurance doesn't have to break the bank. You can save money on premiums without sacrificing coverage. One way is to maintain a good credit score. Insurance companies often offer lower rates to individuals with good credit history. Bundling different insurance policies like auto and home with the same provider can also lead to discounts. Additionally, consider increasing your deductible, which is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in. A higher deductible typically results in lower premiums. Remember, being a safe and responsible individual can also lead to lower insurance costs. Let's look at how insurance protects you in real-life situations. Imagine a young family facing unexpected medical bills due to a child's illness. Health insurance helps alleviate the financial burden, allowing them to focus on their child's recovery. In another scenario, life insurance provides financial security to a family after the loss of a loved one. The death benefit helps cover living expenses, mortgage payments, and education costs for the children. When a homeowner experiences property damage from a storm, home insurance helps with repair or rebuilding costs. These examples illustrate how insurance provides a safety net during challenging times. Insurance is a crucial aspect of personal finance. It provides financial protection and peace of mind. By understanding the basics of insurance, you can make informed decisions to safeguard yourself and your loved ones. Remember to review your insurance coverage regularly and make adjustments as your needs change. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice from insurance agents or financial advisors. Take control of your financial future by making insurance a priority. Visit our website or subscribe to our newsletter for more tips on managing your finances wisely.